First things first, chapstick. Hey homies! Okay, today I'm just going to be doing my makeup with you. This is the makeup that I throw on really quickly when it's already 2:30 in the afternoon, and I'd like to quickly just help my face look a little bit better. So yeah, let's do this. I haven't done my hair. This is just that waver off Amazon. I haven't done my hair like this for a while, and I forgot how much volume it gives me. Flat hair girls unite. Anyone else have the flattest, thinnest, finest hair ever? Like me? Because I'm just really feeling this. I feel like my hair is huge, but it actually just looks like a normal person. But I'm loving it. Okay, Imani primer first. If you don't prime, put primer on your face. It helps so much for your makeup to stay in place. This is a great primer. I like the Imani primers. They have a green one that I like even better. This is more like a pore filling primer, and the other one is more like a lotiony moisturizing primer. I like the other one better, but this one is great too. Okay, a little bit on my hand. Then I have Makeup Revolution. These are like their glow drops. This is the color Starlight. Yeah, Starlight. And I like to look glowy and bougie, so I always go with some sparkles in there. Put that crap all over your face. So good. I've noticed lately in my videos, I'm like so rough on my face. I'm like, so I'm trying to like simmer down on my face so that it will stay nice for years and years. Okay, then I'm going to go in with some foundation. This is a Buxom Show Some Skin Weightless Foundation. This one is almost gone, so it's looking hammered. I like this one, just like a really light coverage foundation. I usually don't go in with anything really, really high coverage when I'm just throwing on a little bit of makeup like this. Okay, always rub it down onto your neck so that your face blends with your neck and you don't look like you're wearing a mask. Okay. This is just a L'Oreal Beauty Blender from Amazon that's rated really well. I've had it for a long time and really liked it. And you can see that this foundation didn't do a ton, just a little bit, like I said, nice light coverage, which is what I'm going for today. Okay, then this is some eyeshadow primer. This is the Urban Decay Primer Potion, and I like this one. It has just like a titch of color to it, like a nude color, and I like to put it on days like today, even when I'm not doing an eye look per se or any eyeshadow, just to help cover a little bit of the veininess in my eyelids. Pat that in there, gentle with your skin, gentle with your skin. Okay, next concealer. This is Fenty Beauty Matchstick Concealer in Linen, and I love this one for a speedy application. As you can see, you just pop it on there quickly, and I'm going to do a little down my nose just to brighten up my face. And this one is really nice too because it also blends out with your hands nicely. Like if you wanted to just like keep this in your car, um, or if you're just throwing it on really fast, or for travel, if you're not bringing a lot of makeup and don't want to bring a lot of tools, you can just easily put this on with your fingers, which is kind of a nice option. Okay, now I am going to just put on a little bit of blush. This is a Milani baked powder blush in the color Luminoso. Luminoso! It's just like a fun peach color. Matches my nails, which is fun. And it's just really pretty on the skin. I'm gonna pop this on, give myself some nice color. Not gonna do bronzer. Like I said, just trying to do like a really fast, it's already late in the day, or I have a really busy day, or I'm just hanging out at home kind of day, but I just want to look a little bit extra, then this is kind of what I like to do. Okay, then I have just a little bit of highlighter. This is a random one I got out of a BoxyCharm subscription that I used to do, and it was like ages ago, and it's actually almost gone. I've liked it, but I am wanting to try a different one. So if you have a highlighter that you've been wanting to try and you want me to try it for you, pop it in the description. Nope, pop it in the comments below, and I will give it a try and let you know what my thoughts are. This one is really random. It is from Artist Contour, which I have no idea who that is or anything. Okay, then brows. I am a brow girl. Anybody else a brow girl out there? Like if I'm just choosing brows or lashes, I'm going to choose brows any day. Okay, I have to have my close mirror for this one so I can do this. Okay, so when I was in middle school, I started plucking my eyebrows like maybe some of you did, and I just like went ham in here on the center of my eyebrows, like did not want a unibrow, so like I did not have a unibrow for sure. Went way too far the other way, and I'm like, Mom, where were you? Why weren't you stopping me? Because now I have a bunch of hair loss right in there. So if you're in middle school, don't do what I did, and also listen to your mom when she's telling you things. Maybe my mom told me. Maybe she was there. Maybe I didn't listen. My eyebrows are so dark. I always like to have them filled because I feel like they look crazy, and it's very apparent that they're crazy if I don't fill them in a little bit. Oh, I didn't even tell you what I'm using. This is the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in taupe, and I really love it. It's just like a little crayon pencil, and then a little spoolie on this side, and it's a nice size of spoolie. Sometimes they're way too big or way too small or weird, but I feel like it is a good pencil, and more than anything, I just love the color of this pencil. I think it just is absolutely perfect for my brow. It's a nice ashy brown that doesn't look too warm. If I have a really warm brown, then it just is obvious where I filled in. So there's another little tip. Whatever your brow color is, be sure that you're really using a product that is the same color as your brow so that it just blends in really nicely. That should be basic, but sometimes we don't do that. Okay, this is just some brow gel that I don't super love. It doesn't work super great. It's just from Essence. It's like $3. And it helps a little bit, but not a ton. So also comment below with your favorite brow gel. Okay, favorite brow gel, favorite highlighter, because I'm on the lookout for a good one. Okay, brows done. And I'm just going to throw on setting spray. I love setting spray. If you don't use setting spray, please do. This is one from Bella Jade Botanicals, and it's just from Amazon. I'll have everything linked down below in the description. Setting spray really helps just to like meld everything together and help it last longer. So for sure use primer and for sure use setting spray. Okay, lastly I'm just going in with a little bit of lip liner. This is a Kat Von D lip liner. This is the shade Muse. Then I'm just throwing on a little bit of lip gloss. This is Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color Pearl Lip Gloss. Okay, and I'm done, folks. That is all I do if I'm just trying to quickly pull myself together and feel a little bit nicer. So I hope that you too are taking a few minutes for yourself today, even if it's only 5 minutes, and making yourself look beautiful so that you can feel beautiful, so that you can do beautiful things. I hope that you have a fantastic rest of your day. Please comment below. Let me know how you're doing. Let me know where you're watching from. And also subscribe and give me a thumbs up. That really helps my tiny little channel. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.